Welcome back to my channel. Today, we have an exciting topic for all you hair enthusiasts out there: the connection between cutting your hair and promoting hair growth. We'll also dive into the world of split ends, discussing what they are, how to spot them, and why it's essential to address them. So, if you've ever wondered how trimming your hair can actually help it grow longer and healthier, you're in the right place. Understanding split ends. Let's start by understanding what split ends are. Split ends are damaged hair tips that have split into two or more fragments. They occur due to various factors like heat styling, chemical treatments, and lack of proper care. You can spot split ends by looking for tiny forks at the tips of your hair or noticing that your hair appears frayed, thin, or white in color. Why trimming is essential. Now that we know what split ends are, let's talk about why trimming your hair is essential for maintaining its health and promoting growth. Regular trims help remove split ends, preventing them from traveling up the hair shaft. This, in turn, prevents further damage and breakage, allowing your hair to grow longer and stronger. When it comes to how much to cut off, experts recommend trimming about 1/4 to 1/2 inch every 6-8 weeks. This keeps your hair healthy without sacrificing too much length. How cutting aids hair growth. Now, let's explore how cutting your hair can actually aid in hair growth. Firstly, regular trims boost overall hair health by removing damaged ends, encouraging the hair to grow from a healthier starting point. Secondly, trimming prevents tangling and more breakage, reducing hair loss significantly. But perhaps the most interesting aspect is that cutting your hair gives the illusion of faster growth. By keeping your hair healthy and free from split ends, it appears to grow faster. You'll have less need to trim off extensive damage, which preserves your length and encourages you to retain those beautiful, healthy locks. In conclusion, cutting your hair isn't counterintuitive when aiming for long, healthy hair. It's an essential step in maintaining hair health, preventing split ends, and creating the illusion of faster growth. So, don't be afraid to schedule those regular trims. Your hair will thank you for it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more hair care tips and tricks.